Good day, kids. Today, you're going to learn adding and subtracting decimals through thousands without and with regrouping. First, addition without regrouping. So let's have an example problem. Eman walked 432,000 kilometers from his home to his work. In going home, he decided to pass another way to reach home faster, wherein he walked 325,000 kilometers. The question is, how many kilometers did Eman walk in all? So, let us see the place value chart of decimals. First given is 432,000 and the other given is 325,000. In placing the numbers, the ones digits should be aligned. The decimal points are also aligned. Tens digits are aligned. Hundreds digits are aligned. And thousands digits are aligned. After that, you may now proceed in adding the decimal by starting with the thousands digit. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. You may also add the given by writing it in column or writing it vertically. 432,000 plus 325,000. Again, start by adding the thousands digit. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then place the decimal point, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Eman walked 757,000 kilometers in all. Next, we have addition with regrouping. So let's have an example. Find the sum of 2 and 35 hundredths, 85 thousandths, and 4. What shall we do first? Write it in column or write it vertically by aligning first the decimal point. We have 2 and 35 hundredths plus 85 thousandths plus 4. Put zeros to fill in the gaps. Now, add first the thousands digit. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 4. Then the decimal point. Then 2 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 6. So if you add 2 and 35 hundredths, 85 thousandths, and 4, the answer will be 6 and 435 thousandths. Next, we have subtraction without regrouping. What is 6 and 358 thousandths minus 2 and 15 hundredths? What should you do? Again, write it in column or write it vertically. 6 and 358 thousandths minus 2 and 15 hundredths. Fill the gap by adding a 0. Then proceed by subtracting first the thousands digit. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So your answer will be 4 and 208 thousandths. Then we have subtraction with regrouping. Subtract 537 thousandths from 82 hundredths. Write the given vertically. (82 hundredths) minus 537 thousandths. Put a 0 in the gap. 0 minus 7, you cannot subtract 7 from 0. So you have to borrow 1 from 2. 0 will be 10 and 2 will become 1. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. You cannot subtract 3 from 1, so you have to borrow 1 from 8. 8 will become 7, and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So your answer will be 283 thousandths. To add decimals without regrouping, align the decimal points in a straight column or write it vertically. Put in zeros so the numbers have the same length. Add as in whole numbers. Align the decimal point in the sum with the decimal points in the addends. When adding decimals with regrouping, regroup if the sum of the digits in a place is 10 or more. Use the decimal point to separate the whole number from the decimal number in the sum. To subtract decimal numbers without regrouping, write the numbers in column form. Subtract as in whole numbers. Write the decimal point in the difference. To subtract decimal numbers with regrouping, write the numbers in column form. Subtract as in whole numbers. Regroup when necessary. Write the decimal point in the difference. As for your activity, copy and answer letter A and letter B in your mathematics notebook. I will give you 5 minutes to finish it. And your timer starts now.